So let's try and do some math with Newton's second law. Again, this is the same slide you saw before. I'm just kind of reiterating this formula, and that's what we'll use to solve all of our Newton's second law problems. So in this one, this is kind of a silly example. We have this girl, Anuja. She's holding a pillow, and the mass of the pillow is 30 kilograms. So this is our M. And then Sarah decides that she wants the pillow and tries to pull it away from her with a horizontal force of 10 newtons. So this is Sarah's force, so I'm going to just call it F of S. And Anuja then pulls with a force of 11 newtons, and we'll call this F of A. And then we want to find out the acceleration of the pillow. So the first thing you want to draw is you want to go ahead and draw a free body diagram. So if this is the direction that Anuja is pulling, okay, this is FA, and it's 11 newtons. Okay, and then we have Sarah's force of FS and 10 newtons. So the net force acting on this pillow is Anuja's force of 11 minus Sarah's force of 10. So we have 11 newtons minus 10 newtons, and that's going to give you 1 newton. So that's your net force. Okay, your formula for this one is F equals ma, and we want the acceleration, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this formula in the triangle. I'm going to put my mass here, my acceleration here, and my force up here. And I want the acceleration. So I'm going to kind of like scratch through this. So then I will have acceleration equals to force divided by mass. Now my force is 1 newton, and my mass is 0.30 kilograms. Now, if I leave it like this, I'm going to have units of newtons divided by kilograms, which is not the unit of acceleration. So I'm going to need to convert this into newtons. And you don't have to do this every time, but I want to do it at least once so you guys at least can see how that conversion works in. So we have newtons up here, and we need to get rid of it. So I'm going to put 1 newton is here. And then 1 newton is equal to 1 kilogram times meters per second squared. And so what this is going to do is my newtons are going to cross out, my kilograms are going to cross out, and I'm going to be left with meters per second. And so I have 1 divided by 30, and that's going to give you 3.33 repeating, and you can just write 3.3 or 3.33 meters per second squared, and that is my answer.